Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to keep Slack active all the time. So first, if you go here to the left side bar and click on your profile icon down here, you see that you can actually set yourself as active, but that was only good for about 10 to 20 minutes. But after a few minutes of inactivity, Slack will automatically put you as inactive. So in order to prevent that, we also have to avoid for our computer screen to automatically lock after a few minutes of inactivity. So in order to change that, you're going to open your computer settings. So I'm using a MacBook, but if you're using Windows, you can press on the Windows key on your keyboard, and then you want to search for turn off display. Then you want to access the settings that is similar to this. So as you can see over here, my screen automatically becomes inactive after 10 minutes. So you're going to click on the settings and you want to change that to never. And that's it. Thanks for watching.